Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the microleakage of composite restoration and its effect on the tooth structure and the restoration. So what is microleakage? It is the diffusion of bacteria, oral fluids, ions and molecules into the space between the tooth structure and the filling material. Okay, as you can see here, this is the microleakage. Okay, so here the fluid passes between the tooth structure and the restoration. So this is the tooth structure and this is the restoration. Okay, and this micro leakage leads to secondary caries. So first of all, it it leads to secondary caries, or okay. It can also lead to loss of restoration due to debonding. Okay, here debonding of the restoration. Okay, here this means that the bond between the tooth structure and the restoration has been broken down. Okay, the third thing here, it causes sensitivity of the tooth. Tooth becomes sensitive to hot, cold and sweets. Also it leads to staining of the teeth. Here the tooth becomes discolored at the margins of the restoration. Okay, as you can see here, this is marginal staining of the teeth. Okay, marginal staining of the teeth. Okay, and finally we have here pulp inflammation. Okay, so let's quickly revise what happens when we have microleakage. So we said that microleakage, it is the path it is the diffusion of bacteria and oral fluids, ions and molecules into the space between the tooth structure and the restoration. So here this is the pathway for the fluid to reach to the pulp. Okay, to the tooth structure and then pulp. And then we have, first of all, we have secondary it can lead to secondary caries, pulp inflammation, debonding of the restoration, marginal staining of the teeth. Okay, and then we have also sensitivity of the tooth due to